filmed these in a while, and I'm staying here again, so you're there in 4K 60. I don't know which one we're getting. Yeah, we're getting this one. So I'm sitting on 3 for a minute. This is Hyatt Place Laundry. They're doing remodels right now at the hotel. Excuse me. Here you go. No problem. They currently have like plywood over the cab, but they might be redoing these cabs, so I'm not 100% sure. The other one's still the same normal cab. It looks like they already finished this floor. Yeah, these were originally US soft touch, and then they were modded with ThyssenKrupp Mad BS. It's one with the newer TK logo. There goes the other one. I'm on too, because that's where I'm staying. This time. This is like my 4th time I've stayed in this hotel in the past year. So.